Come again?
How the shop are going? You hear me?
Well, yeah, me here. It are going good so far. I mean, the customer them, the usual customer, so I can't complain.
Okay, so you managed to deliver the food then.
Yes, on time. This time.
Alright. Hold on the babe. May I get a next call?
All right.
Hello, Bubbles. Alright, may I come? Babe? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, me I gotta do one rehearsal now, so me call you back.
All right. See you safe here.
Alright, later.
Later.
I can't pretend it, don't understand this is something that's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
Then is why your face light up so separate and apart from the food. Well, the food are the first thing, and we just start to carry in. Cockafant. Sure. This man, a son of a liver. By the way, him not ask you about some place something?
Yeah, him ask me. I'ma tell him.
What you tell him? Him knows a whisper there?
So the same thing.
Yes, he knows a whisper the ear. And him not feel no way about it. I just tell him say I work with you.
What?
What you mean you tell him say me I work with her?
Not as an agent. But tell him say me and dance for Bubbles so she put up on the show. When I have a talk.
Oh! You shot me a while ago.
You know what shot me? Him not jealous over whisper again. And I'm glad about it. Hey, Bubbles, I get a dream one day, yeah. I drop asleep in the shop and my dream say I fight one girl over carry him.
While you're sleeping at the shop? Daydream, yeah, daydream.
So you fight over man named sleep now?
That now gonna happen. Bubbles, the food's already?
Yes, the food can finish. What you want? Toast or regular?
Toast, I want 4 slices.
Your chest eye. Listen, after we finish, I wanna eat, I wanna digest. It's rehearsal time, okay? Alright, you see the part where you do the chest? It's double time. And so you're coming out of 1, 2, 3 step. So you're here, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, bam. Yeah. So the chest, you have to emphasize, remember stage is larger than life. So you have to emphasize the chest. You're coming from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom, stop. Alright, do that missing. From the 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, stop. Give me some more, Tony, and more out of your chest. Come again. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, stop. Whisper. So you do the same thing. And then you go in at the stooky movement behind her, the daggery movement behind her. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, bam, bam, stop. Good. Both of you do it together for me, and then we're running from the top. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. From the top. Nice. Sonia, remember emphasize, alright? done talk to them already about it.
Yeah, boss. So, if I perform with it,
Yep. You just make sure it properly concealed. So Bubbles, package not there for me. You have the pepper spray?
Yeah, I have it.
Alright, good. That's your package.
Please keep your head round this up and don't say a word.
you just make sure, sir, you remember the dance routine, yeah?
You for member. Remember say you're a water commission man. Me a dancer, so me would member.
Hello, the two wanna stop and focus.